Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Journey. In the series of the SEO, today we will discuss about why SEO is important. So SEO is important for every kind of the business and freelancer. Suppose if your website rank in the search result, so will get lot of the leads, and from these leads you can get the business. So as we can say that how SEO is why SEO is important. So several factors are there. The first one is the attract customer. Basically what happens, like if you want to purchase something on then you will do the research online. Okay, and if you will do the research online, so we will see multiple competitor website and multiple website, and on the basis of that you will make a purchase. So basically suppose if I will look for the hotel in Delhi, so I will see the multiple website like Make Trip, Gobibo, Ayoda, and after that I will make the decision like this will be worth for me. In this way we can say that if my website is ranking on the keyword hotel in Delhi and the customer visits on this particular on my website, so in this we can say that we will go to the traffic, and from the traffic we can go to the conversion. So in this we can say that attract the customer. Now improve sales. So basically what happen, like if the traffic is coming your website, so the sales will also increase. Build credibility. So if your website will be visible in the search engine result page, so in this case the audience will see the website and the brand's name, whether it's click or not, just they will see the domain name from here. So from that the brand credibility will be there. Encourage brand awareness. So basically if our website is ranking in the search engine, so from that the users will also click on our website page. Otherwise the brand awareness is also there, like the particular company name visible is there so brand awareness is also there. Gain an advantage over competitors. What happened, basically suppose our competitor, if our website is ranking on the top, like on the first 2 to 3, so all the competitors that coming below, so these will be out of form. Basically whenever the user search for any query, so the user will see only the first 3 to 4 URLs. There will be more possibility that user can check and fulfill their requirement via only the first page from on. So if your website will be in the top, then might be the customer part will be more. So try to always your website on the keywords will be in the first page of the search engine page. Now after that we will discuss like be more cost effective. Like how it is more cost effective. Basically if your website rank in the search engine maybe in 3 months or 2 months, so after that this will be the long duration, like we will get traffic from the organic source where doesn't need to pay for ads. Like if we talk about the PPC and advertising kind of things, so in that we have to spend money regularly to get the regularly leads. But in the SEO part, if we rank in the search engine, so our website will be ranking for some duration. Till that we will work on that particular keyword, and from that we can get the traffic in the organic way. Like we doesn't need to spend the money on getting the leads. So SEO involves optimizing a website content and elements to improve the search engine ranking and visibility. Okay, this is the main part. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Have a nice day. Take care.